All right. So first question here, you are given the equation as x plus 3 equals to 0. We are trying to find out x. Although you can find out the answer by using any of the methods we have discussed. You can do it by transposition also. So we have to check if the value given is the correct answer or not. So if x is 3, the first option that we have is x equals to 3. This could be a multiple choice question. Same equation के लिए आपको 3 options दी हुई हैं. Which of these is correct? So if x is 3, x की जगह पे 3 लिख के देख लो. Left side पे 6 बनेगा, right side पे 0 बनेगा. Is it correct? This one is not correct. The second case, you are given x as 0. तो x की जगह पे हम क्या लिख देंगे? 0 लिख देंगे. Are the two sides equal? So this is also wrong. The last one, if we take x as -3, if we take x as -3, then the left hand side becomes 0 and the right hand side is also 0. The two sides become equal. This is the correct answer. I am doing it orally in my mind. You are not supposed to write down, but अगर आपको लिख के convenient लगता है, आप अपनी कॉपी पे इसको solve करके check कर सकते हो. Yes, Manmeet?
Ma'am, I have some network issue. I will, ma'am, disconnect anytime. Please mark me present.
Okay. Okay, if you get disconnected, try to rejoin.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me if this is clear. Anyone who has a doubt how I found the answer without showing my work. Anyone who does not understand how I did this without showing my work. I'm doing this in my mind. यहाँ पे मैंने overwrite करके दिखाया है आपको. You don't have to do this or you could do it with pencil. आप pencil से एक बार ऐसे इसको लिख के देख सकते हो. X की जगह पे जो number दिया है वो use कर लो. ये वाला number यहाँ पे लिख दो X की जगह पे. And see if the two sides give you same value. Once again, आपकी जो equation है, let's take a look. Everyone, pay attention. Equation is x plus 3 equals to 0. The value is x equals to 3. I'm going to use this here. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 3. 3 plus 3 equals to 0. Is it correct? This is wrong. Then x equals to 0. यहाँ पे अगर हम 0 लिखते हैं. Is it correct? 0 plus 3 equals to 0. This is also wrong. 0 plus 3 is not 0. Okay. I think now it's clear. This last one, if I try to use it here, -3, then the two sides are equal. This will be a yes. Anad?
Ma'am, can I answer the question?
I want to discuss this first. There were some students who had a doubt in this question. So I would ask, give me just a minute. Let me just discuss the method and then I will be asking the students. All right. Now, fourth part and fifth part. These are the same equations. And we have two options. If x is 7, I'm trying with the first option, taking x as 7. अगर मैं x की जगह पे 7 लिख दूं, is the statement true?
No.
This is not the correct answer. Right. What about option second, where you have x as 8? If you use 8 लिखते हैं यहाँ पे, this is true. Okay, let's ask Damandeep. Damandeep, beta unmute.
Ma'am, by mistake, I have raised hand.
Okay.
I have to
Rishit.
give thumbs.
Okay. Rishit up. Sorry, Rishit. I'm so sorry. Rishit,
Yes, ma'am.
beta, can you help me with sixth part?
Ma'am, yes, sixth part, no.
And can you tell us what's the mistake here? If I take 0
Ma'am,
here,
5, ma'am, 5 into 0 is 0 because 5 into 5 equals to 25.
that's right. 5 into 0 will be 0. Those who don't remember this, if you see something like this, आपको 5x अगर दिख रहा है, this means 5 is multiplied with x. यहाँ पे बीच में कोई भी साइन नहीं है. And this means product. If you see no sign, this means product. So यहाँ पे जब हम 0 लिखेंगे, ये 15 ही बनेगा. ये 5 into 0 है. 5 into 0, 0 हो जाएगा. So this will be a no. Anhad?
Ma'am, in second case, 5x is equal to 25, x is equal to 5. It is true because 5 into 5 is equal to 25.
Right. If I put 5 here, then 5 into 5 will be 25. It will be correct. Chirag?
मैम अब तो मैम कोई भी आ जाए
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
Other than that, obviously, if we have the correct answer is x equals to
ma'am.
5. If we use, just a minute, if we use any other value, it will be no. Chirag, I want you to tell me eighth part.
Yes, ma'am. Eighth part is not correct because minus 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to minus 25. But the answer here is 25. So no.
That's correct. That's correct. If I write down 5 multiplied by minus 5, I will have minus 25, but right side is 25. The two sides are not equal. That's why this answer is wrong. Tanvi beta, can you unmute? Just a minute.
मैं क्वेश्चन
beta-
पूछने वाला थोड़ा सा मैम एक में भी यस हो गए तो मैम अगले नो ही होंगे
Exactly, Anand. You're right. Tanvi, can you answer ninth part? Tanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
with a ninth part. The value of m is minus 6. If I write minus 6 here, do the two sides have same value? Simplify the left hand side, fraction को simplify करो. Ninth part, the equation given to us is m by 3 equals to 2. Once again, this is the equation given to us. The first value is m equals to 6. So I'm just going to write down minus 6 in place of m. m को हटा दो, m की जगह पे -6 लिख दो. ये वाली वैल्यू. सॉल्व करके देखो राइट साइड से आंसर मैच होता है कि नहीं होता. गुरशान सिंह. Right, Tanvi.
मैम
Right.
false
It's false. It's false. Next, Sania. If I put 0 here, Sania,
Yes, ma'am.
is the statement true or false? 10th part.
Ma'am, ninth part.
10th part.
Ma'am, false.
It will be a no. Correct. Sia. Last part.
yes ma'am ma'am it is a yes
It's a yes. Ashit, is it clear? Okay. Now let's continue. Question number 2 onwards. We are going to write in the notebook. Question number 2. Check whether the value given is a solution. Bracket में कुछ values दी हुई हैं. आपको उनके लिए check करना है कि answer. Okay. Wait. Yes, Rishit?
Ma'am, I
Rishit?
was saying, please mute all the students. Some noises was coming from their home.
Okay. Okay. Let me just put them on mute. All right. Anhad? Anhad?
Ma'am, I
Mhm.
was disconnected at the moment. So please mark me present.
Okay, I'm aware you got disconnected. I admitted you again, I know. Yes, Gursimran?
Ma'am, I want to ask that in question number 2, B part, ma'am, LHS is not equal to RHS. Ma'am, LHS is 9 and RHS is 19. Please tell me.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done that. Ma'am, I had done that 7 into minus 2 plus 5. Then
Mhm.
7 minus 2 we have to multiply and solve. Then minus 14 because minus 2 is there. So 14 plus 5 plus minus minus. So 9.
9 with a negative sign,
Yes, ma'am. Negative.
right? Negative 9.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Two sides are unequal. The answer will be no.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Let's write the answer in the notebook one by one. Question number 2, A part. We have the equation as n plus 5 equals to 19 and n is given as 1, n equals to 1. So we are going to separate the two sides. This is to be done by LHS and RHS. N plus 5, 19. Divide them by putting a line here, separate them. Use n as 1. N की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा? 1 आ जाएगा. So you get 6. On right side, it's 19. LHS and RHS are not equal. So you will write down no. This is similar to the example I have given you when we were writing down the definition. जब हम definitions लिख रहे थे, तब मैंने आपको example देके समझाया था कि हम कैसे check करते हैं value दी हुई correct है या नहीं. You have to do it by showing RHS and LHS. You have to show your work in this case. Even if you simply write down no, that also works. If you don't want to write down this complete line, you don't have to write. Just write down no or yes. Yes, Rishit?
Ma'am, can we write no n equals to 1 is not the root?
Yes, yes, yes. Root and solution are the same.
Okay, ma'am.
Next one, 7n plus 5 equals to 19 and the value for n is minus 2. Be very careful if you are having a negative value. If you miss the sign, you could give wrong answer. Left hand side, right hand side, separate them first. Now use the value of n. 7 is to be multiplied by this value. Product will be solved first and then you will add 5. No, Ashit, there's no problem. You don't have to write that line. Simply yes or no will do. Just yes or no. If it is correct, write yes. If it is not, write down no. Those who are writing down alongside, please let me know. Yes, Gursimran?
Ma'am, I want to ask you that in D part, ma'am, answer on LHS is equal to +1 and RHS is equal to 13.
Yes.
Ma'am, then both sides are not equal, so ma'am, no.
No.
Ma'am, and C part is yes.
Yes. C part is yes. Anyone who is on part A? Yes, Shivas? Manmeet, unmute.
Ma'am, please you will send ma'am today's work in the group.
Yes.
Thanks, ma'am.
Anhad, unmute.
Ma'am, ma'am, can we do this work afterwards, ma'am? And the second question is that, ma'am, जो आपने yesterday ma'am method से example लेके समझाया था, ma'am वो लिखना था?
No.
Okay, ma'am.
These extra examples that I was discussing?
Yes.
No, you don't have to write that. Yes, Rishit?
Ma'am, I have written yesterday's all the methods and the all examples.
That's completely fine. If you
Okay.
think that something is helpful and you want to make a note, you can always write that down.
Ma'am, and please you write slowly. I have to write side by side.
Okay. Okay. So let me know once it's noted down, then we will take up the third part. Those who have noted this down, they may continue with the remaining parts. They can try the next part on their own. Yes, those who have done, many students have completed till B part. So you can continue with the next part, C, D, E, F. There are 6 parts to be done. So you can do those parts. Gurshan Kaur, unmute beta.
You don't have put it the bracket after 7 into minus.
You could put the bracket, but it's obvious when we have multiplication and addition, multiplication is given priority. Multiplication pehle perform karte hain. If you want, you could put a bracket around that.
-2.
You want me to put -2 in the bracket?
Yes, ma'am.
You could put -2 in bracket. It's completely fine if I don't use a bracket. If that helps, go ahead, put a bracket.
Okay, ma'am.
I think A part is done. Okay. Continuing with part C, the equation is 7n plus 5 equals to 19. The value is n equals to 2. Yes, Gursimran?
Ma'am, sorry for disturbing again and again. Ma'am, I want to ask you that in third question, ma'am, ma'am, may I do third method?
If you look at the question, it says use trial and error.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to do like this. We have to guess what will be the
Correct
like
answer.
P, and then we have to solve using LHS, RHS. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Someone is, I think, unmuted. पीछे से आवाज आ रही है. LHS is equal to RHS. So this is a yes. We have the correct answer. Vitesh, बेटा next जो हमारी exercise है, exercise 4.2. We will be doing all questions with balancing the equation method. Gunjan, beta, this is C part. This is not E part. I will check for E part. The answer is minus 19. It's minus 19. E is no. You get minus 19 on left hand side. On right hand side, it's 13. So the two sides are unequal. It will be a no. Rishit, beta, done till part B? Okay. Four P minus 3 equals to 13. Can I give you this as homework? I think you can do this. I'll give you this as homework. E part, 4P minus 3 equals to 13. P is negative 4. I'm doing this with you. I want to do the one with minus sign with you in the class. So 4 multiplied with minus 4, minus 3. Product is minus 16. We have minus 16 minus 3. The answer will be minus 19. The two sides are not equal. So it's a no. Correct, Sumaira, correct. Yes, Gursimran, beta, for F part, left hand side will be minus 3. 0 minus 3 will be minus 3. Yes, yeah, D part, the answer is no. Right, Gursimran? Correct. Right, Sanya? Correct, Sumaira? Right, Damandeep, correct. Right, Gunjan, right? Okay. I hope everyone has done till part C. D part is homework, F part is homework. Question number 3, solve by trial and error. I hope you remember how we use trial and error. We have to guess the answer first. Before guessing the answer, if you want, you can calculate it in the rough quickly. A part, We have 5p plus 2 equals to 17. I want you to tell me which answer should I try, which value should I try. Anhad,
And 3.
right, 3 actually is the right answer. So we know 3 is the right answer. We are going to guess that. Let,
Ma'am, can you leave?
yes. So left-hand side, right-hand side. If I'd let the value as 3, what happens to the left-hand side and right-hand side? Show your work. And we can tell that the two sides are equal. Left-hand side is equal to right-hand side. So the answer is P equals to 3. I have written here, you could write below the equations here, LHS is equal to RHS. And then you give your answer. Anyone who is on second question? Sorry, I think I have, okay. Chirag, unmute beta.
Ma'am, can you scroll up till D part? I have.
Previous question?
Yes. Ma'am, yes.
Okay, so that will be all for today. I will share the work in the group afterwards. I'm giving second part of question 3 as homework. All right. That will be all. If you're writing down, still some work is left, I will share it in the group. I will see you all tomorrow. God bless you, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.